Some racing now. Stakeholders and Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, SVREL, have come to an agreement regarding monies SVREL had expected to recover as per an MOU signed 3 months ago. Denise Walters has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
Chairman of SVREL, Solomon Sharp, says all has been ironed out after a meeting about a month ago at Caymanes Park. The promoting company was accused of not sticking to the terms of the MOU as stakeholders fumed over a prorated $8.6 million that SVREL deducted from purses without their consent.
There's a lot of misunderstanding that was out there, and we clarified everything, and we struck a deal, so we're back to normal and moving as usual.
An MOU signed in May indicated that SVREL would recover $13 million over 7 months for operational costs incurred in that month if racing resumed on June 1 following an indefinite suspension in March. However, SVREL was looking to recover sums for the additional 20 days in June. Sharp says the promoters and the horsemen reached a satisfactory compromise.
Being a reasonable business person, we said that we did a prorated amount. Some of the trainers especially and some of the other stakeholders were concerned that that they didn't think that there should have been anything. So we kind of met somewhere down the middle, and at the end of the day everybody's happy.
Well, maybe not everybody. As Ryan Darby says, it could be the bone of contention between himself and former executives of the United Racehorse Trainers Association who tried to stage a coup to oust him as the president.
We mediated and got a lot of meetings and discussion involving other people that took a lot of time and effort to get racing to run. If we had some mixed understanding with Supreme Ventures in regards to the withdrawal of money, we basically ironed it out to almost the best of in goodwill. So I'm not sure what they want. I know if some of the older trainers decide that they want to lead, and most of them have there already.
During mediation, a compromise was offered to the stakeholders by the Jamaica Racing Commission, JRC. The Minister of Finance, Nigel Clark, announced the return of racing on June 10, and the JRC offered that from June 10 to 20, SVREL had sole responsibility to maintain the facilities. Darby says it was in the best interest of racing to accept that compromise.
We had contest meetings, and we came to iron it out with a lot of trainers involved, even some of the trainers were complaining, and we came to an arrangement where it worked out to 25% of what Supreme Ventures was asking for, and all the trainers at the meeting agreed. So yes, we have ironed it out with the consensus of the majority and in the best interest of racing to keep racing running.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.